barbecue fam? Today we got a new addition to the barbecue shack. We're going to assemble and burn off this ZGrills 702F. Check this out. So with your assembly, you want to pull all of the garbage out. Styrofoam, plastic, cardboard, pull that all out. Get the barrel out. Set that on top of the box. It's strong enough to hold it. And then you're going to assemble the legs, the bottom base of this grill. Put it all together, and then you can set the barrel on top and bolt that down easily. Once you got this barrel bolted down to the legs, this goes pretty quick. You're going to put together the hopper. Once you got that together, you're going to slide it into the barrel and you're going to bolt that down. The bolts are already in, so take them out, slam them in, 4, and you're ready to rock. And then make sure you connect the wires too. This is super simple. The lid goes together well. Then you want to go ahead and put the stack on and put the cap on. Very easy to go. Put all your inserts in. And then once this is all together, plug it in, turn it on, and make sure that auger is turning. And once you have confirmation that that auger is turning, you're going to load it up with some pellets because we're going to do the burn off. To burn off all of that nasty oils and everything from the factory. We're going to burn it off and then we're going to season it up. And we're going to get ready to do a cook. Auger is turning. Everything is going good. We put the pellets in. We got everything rolling. And then we're going to crank this sucker up to high and we're going to burn everything off. And then halfway through, because we're doing 1 hour burn off on high. And once we're up to about 30 minutes, we're going to spray it down with some canola oil all on the inside. And then we'll start to season up this pellet grill. Now your pellet grill is ready to roll. It's been an hour. You turn it all off. It's seasoned. It's been burnt off. It's assembled. It's perfect. Everything's rocking. Now it's time to figure out, what are you going to cook first? Oh, that's always a challenge. So why did I choose the ZGrills 702F? Well, that's very simple. It's a great cooking space. Pellet grills are very easy for a very busy family that I've got. And this thing you can wheel around easily. You got these big 8-inch wheels on the back, some locking casters on the front. The thing is solid. And I like the color too. But other than that, man, pellet grilling has been so much fun this year. So why not take this into the backyard and you can roll it wherever you need to. That's what I really like about this guy over the 700D3, because that had some smaller locking casters and rolling it around is a little more complicated. Luckily, I'm on a cement slab here, but if I want to roll it out, because this is getting a little too hot in here, the barbecue shack sometimes gets pretty damn hot. So you could roll this out, you can move it around, and I'm moving grills in and out. That makes that very easy too. So, and I love the style of this grill. The color is amazing. If you need a pellet grill, this is your one. And I got you 5% off. Down below, click the link, 5% off, code hell yeah. You got this. Pellet grilling season, we're here. Oh hell yeah. Very easy. The yeah, the then you want to go ahead. No, that's way too loud. Barbecue fam, today we got a new addition to the barbecue shack.